Okay, so I've arranged the screws. You can see them going out. These are the last 8 that I'm doing, and that's the wood panel. But I've also set these 2 pieces this distance apart because this is going to have a hinges. I'm going to have hinges here, and then a lock up there. But then I think what I want to do is to cut later something like this, because a kennel door should look like a real arched door, and so that arch is what I'm going to create in the door. So I'm going to cut that with a not a giggle, so giggle says surgery. I'm going to cut it with a jigsaw. Yeah, so let me screw these in. I'm using one hand, so it's not always the best idea. Actually, I'm making a mistake. I want to always go to the lower one first, so that it doesn't fall out of place. Okay, since I'm doing this myself, I have to sign off.